Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. I'm making some orange chicken, and you put a little bit of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, you got about 2 tablespoons of honey, some soy sauce, garlic, ginger, fresh orange, and broccoli, peanuts, unsalted, and chicken thigh meat, organic, and it turns out really well. A little bit of cornstarch in there, a little bit of sesame seeds, and I'm going to serve this, Alhamdulillah, over white rice. So again, you don't have to buy the sauces in the store, you just have to make them at home. You add a little bit of water, obviously, you condense it down. Once it condenses down, it'll become sticky, just like how you would buy it at Panda Express or your other favorite local Chinese restaurant. I understand Panda Express isn't authentic Chinese food, but the sauces are prepped pretty much the same way. You can add the broccoli close to when it's done or not. I kind of like softer broccoli just because of the flavor that it gives to everything. And if you want, you can add white onion, green onion. I didn't add any onions this time. I wasn't in an onion mood. But alhamdulillah, it's really good. And this got a lot of vitamin C. You got the garlic and oranges in there and the ginger. So it's really gonna warm me up on this gray, cloudy day, and the smell as it cooks is just absolutely perfect. So hopefully you can try it. There's lots of different recipes for orange chicken, so hopefully you can try this one out. It's pretty straightforward. Put the measurements as you like, free ball it. Eventually you will get to the level where you don't even need measurements. You'll be able to eyeball it. So have a great day.